Welcome everybody, Brian here from TMaxx, and I'm here to introduce TMaxx's new Gloss PearlPeak White PPF. Let's talk about the color first. PearlPeak White. This has been designed to emulate the top of a mountain. When you get that bright snow cap, you get a little bit of sparkle and maybe even some pearlescence. This is a unique color. It's not too much pearl and it's not too bland like a regular white. It's gonna fall right in the middle, and when we get this out in the sun, this really looks awesome. So different shades, different sparkle and pearlescence depending on how bright the sun is and what angle you're looking at it. Again, TMaxx Gloss PearlPeak White PPF. Installed on this Cybertruck. Love to know what you guys think. Drop a comment below, let us know what you think of this color and maybe what you'd like to see from TMaxx in a new color coming soon. All right everybody, thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you check the rest of our videos. We've got one for all the colors that we've got from TMaxx Films.